car. Look closely though, we've took out the seatbelt and tied the door shut. We've took out the glass and the plastic. And on the front corners of the doors where the windscreen was, we put the door rubbers to try and get the room either a little bit of grip as it lands in the room. We want to try and pull it back onto our wheels. We can stand on predicted stuff. If you get your navies into the car, only about 25 kilometers an hour to do this stuff. I'll be with a hand to the foot of the steering wheel in case your damages are stopped on impact.
Yep.
Marky on standby.
She's unreal. She is someone from
Steve on standby. Steve on standby. Let's go.